It is June 10th, 2018, and I'm in my mini bed garden working on an experiment, or getting the results of an experiment. The experiment being 4 tomato plants in a mini bed planted last year, and this year they're blossoming and fruiting. And today I'm going to pick my first strawberries from these mini beds, and I'm going to keep track of the yield in weight each day. I've got 3 beds. That's for bed 2, bed 1, and so on. So I actually think I should have been here yesterday or the day before picking berries, because it looks like they were ready, but I've had other things going on. So that's what's going to happen here. I'll pick these 3 beds and we'll see what we've got. Yeah. On my hands and knees out here. The camera in one hand. That's a neat one. And here you can see the first picking from bed number 1, bed number 2, and bed number 3. Bed number 3 looks like the winner today. I'm going to weigh these, find out for sure. And the funny thing about bed number 3 over here is that it really only has 3 strawberry plants in it. I pulled one out last fall because it looked like it was diseased. So isn't that something? Oh, and I see some red in there that I missed. So bed number 2 is going to maybe jump ahead here. But you get the idea. We're not growing a huge crop here. This is a kitchen garden for eating food pretty much in season. We're growing storage onions and garlic for the winter, and some other things. The peppers my wife will freeze. But for the most part, the mini bed garden is a kitchen garden, a manageable kitchen garden for eating in season. And those strawberries there certainly are going to be plenty for today's eating. They're going to be a real treat. We do have strawberries elsewhere in the garden, but these 3 beds are the test beds for a mini bed yield. So I'm going to weigh these, see how much I ended up with, and I will continue to do that through the season here, and it'll be interesting to see what kind of yield comes out of here. Now, I do want to say also that these beds were extremely easy to manage. The runners last year, you can see a runner right there. There's a couple runners coming out of that bed on the left over there. Very easy to manage. They're not going to root anywhere here. I can trim them off at any time, or I can root them into the mini bed, dig them up, and plant another mini bed to them. This summer, you can transplant strawberries plants in the summer. In fact, you'll get a better yield from Somerset strawberries, which is part of my Planet Whiz Bang idea book for gardeners. I have an excerpt in there from E.P. Rowe, the famous berry man of the 1800s, where he talks about summer setting of strawberries and how you get a larger yield from Somerset berries. Okay, I've blabbed long enough here. You get the idea. This is a fun experiment because we have strawberries to eat this morning with our breakfast.